Action words for kids with Urdu meanings, pictures, and sentences. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Read, padna. Children are reading storybooks. Write, likhna. She is writing an essay. Drive, गाड़ी चलाना. The boy is driving a red car. Go, जाना. Dora goes to school happily. Ride, सवार होना. He is riding on his bicycle. Laugh, हंसना. Children are laughing. Sing, गाना. A bluebird is singing. Jump, छलांग लगाना. The boy is jumping. Weep, रोना. Why is the boy weeping? Help, मदद करना. Does women help a beggar? Pull, खींचना. He pulled a cart. Play, खेलना. Children are playing on seesaw. Wash, धोना. A little girl washes plates. Think, सोचना. What are you thinking? Sleep, सोना. Baby is sleeping.